What if 9 unelected judges could quietly shape your freedom, your future, and even decide the outcome of a nation without you ever voting for them? It sounds unbelievable, but that's exactly the hidden power of the U.S. Supreme Court. Most people think it just interprets the law, but in reality, it can redefine what the law even means, and that changes everything. Here's the part almost no one talks about. The court doesn't need to create laws to control them. Through a single decision, it can expand rights or limit them overnight. Think about it. Cases tied to free speech, privacy, or gun rights don't just affect Americans. They influence legal thinking across countries like the UK as well. And here's where it gets even more powerful. The court chooses which cases it wants to hear. Thousands are submitted every year, but only a small number are accepted. That means the justices decide which issues become national conversations and which ones disappear quietly. Now imagine this. Once the court makes a decision, it becomes the final word. There's no higher authority to challenge it. Not the president, not Congress. Unless the Constitution itself is changed, which is incredibly rare, that ruling stands. This power became crystal clear during moments like the Brown versus Board of Education, when segregation in schools was declared unconstitutional, reshaping American society forever. One decision, millions of lives changed, but the hidden influence doesn't stop there. Justices are appointed for life. That means a single president can impact the court and the country for decades. Decisions made today can still affect people 30 or 40 years from now. It's not just law. It's long-term control over the direction of a nation. And here's the twist. The court often works quietly. No loud campaigns, no public voting, just written opinions that slowly redefine reality. By the time most people notice the impact, it's already part of the system. So the next time you hear about a Supreme Court decision, remember, it's not just a legal ruling. It's a shift in power that can ripple across generations and even influence how democracies think worldwide. Now, I want to ask you something. Do you think unelected judges should have this much power over a country's future? Or should there be limits? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one of them. And if you want more eye-opening stories like this, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.